The Hidden Journal and the Pursuit of Time. One day, Anna was cleaning her grandmother's house when she stumbled upon an old box. Inside were photographs, letters, and ancient documents. But one item stood out, a leather-bound journal. On its cover, written in golden letters, were the words, "To understand time, one must lose it." As Anna flipped through the journal, she noticed some pages were missing, torn, erased, or lost to time. But on the remaining pages, dates and place names shimmered mysteriously. Curious, she turned another page, and suddenly, a bright light engulfed her. She found herself in an entirely different world. Anna was now in 1920s Istanbul. The city's historic streets were alive with men in hats, old-fashioned cars, and smoky coffee houses. Her task, as written in the journal, was to find a lost musician's composition. She entered a coffee house where an old man told her the musician could be found across the city in a lively tavern. Thanking him, Anna set off to complete her mission. She finally found the musician, but there was a problem: the melody was incomplete. The musician asked Anna for help. With Anna's help, the melody was finished, and suddenly, the page in the journal began to glow. The first task was complete, and a new page revealed itself. Anna was now in Renaissance Italy, the late 1400s, surrounded by stone, buildings, and narrow alleys. The journal gave her a new task: to find a lost work of Leonardo da Vinci. Soon, Anna met one of Leonardo's assistants, who told her she needed to solve a cipher. The clue was hidden behind a secret painting. Anna deciphered the code and uncovered a hidden map, which revealed the location of Leonardo's secret masterpiece. Another task complete, and the next journal page began to glow. Anna found herself in the distant future, surrounded by flying vehicles, artificial intelligence, and people wearing advanced technological clothing. Her task was to find a missing artifact in a memory museum. Wandering through the museum, Anna located the missing piece. The artifact revealed how choices from the past shape the future. This discovery was a turning point for Anna. She saw how her decisions could ripple through time. Anna returned to her own time, and the final page of the journal glowed brightly. On it, she found a note from her grandmother. Anna realized that her grandmother had once used the journal and embarked on similar journeys. Time reveals its secrets only to those willing to understand it. Anna now faced a choice: should she close the journal and stay in her own time, or embark on another journey? The decision was hers to make. What about you? Would you dare to discover the secrets of time?